Ja, is goed. Can you please help me? Hey everyone, so we're back in the hotel. It's evening. We're had a long day, and I just want to show you guys some of the stuff I bought. And we went to a few game arcades, and I just wanted to show you what we won there because it's really awesome. It's so cute. So we went to the Disney store, and I bought these earrings, like the sakura leaves. And here is a little mini in flower. And here the sakura is just two pair of earrings. And it's so adorable and so pretty. And I really love them. So that's what I'm gonna wear tomorrow. And at the Disney store I also bought this Chip and Dale, and then you can fold it like this, and then this is like a sort of card you can put down, and it's like they're playing with the ball and the flowers. It's really, really adorable. Here is the explanation about how you can fold it and how it will stand. And I went to the Rilakkuma store and I bought some really, really cute stickers. There are 8 designs and it's so adorable. I love Rilakkuma. And also 8 designs. Some food. And this one with some other food and drinks. And it's really adorable. And they have this Easter, how do you call it? The little memo writing cards with the fears. And then if you fold them open, look, they're chasing each other and they're chilling in the grass. And on this side, oh, they're hanging out, and here they're crying. But it's so adorable, and it's all Easter, and it's so cute. And they also had this one, also Easter. This one has 2 designs on the inside. They're dressed up as bunnies. Oh, this one in the grass. And again as bunnies. And on the other side, Rilakkuma and sleeping together. And oh, it's just so adorable. They don't do Easter like we do in the Netherlands, with breakfast and a lot of eating and stuff. But they have the cutest merchandise. This one has 2 designs. I just love it. And this one is also 2 designs. It's just really, really cute. And then I went to the Daiso and I found these earrings. And I just love it. It's so cute with all the related Mickey and Minnie. Oh, other way around, Minnie and Mickey. And it's just so adorable. And I went to the Sanrio shop and I bought these stickers. My Melody is my favorite. I just love it. The Japanese. Focus. The Japanese style of it. And these are the bags you get when you go to the Sanrio store. These are the Easter bags, I guess. It's so cute. And you get a little gift. You can choose a character you want. And you just get a little hanger. It's adorable. I just love with a little sticker. Oh, it's just so adorable. And at the Sanrio store they also had a lottery, where they have a lot of in Japan. And I won 3 prizes. This Pum Pum Purin with a little cupcake on his head. It's adorable. It's a keychain. It's so cute. It's so fluffy. And I had another Pum Pum Purin, but now he's sitting on an Easter egg. It's also a keychain. There's the chain. Oh, it's so fluffy and cute. And I had one of the twin stars, the blue one, also on an Easter egg, a keychain. They're adorable. And then we went to the arcade and I won 3 prizes. This little Pum Pum Purin. I just love Pum Pum Purin and all the other Sanrio characters, and it has a little heart. And it's so cute. I won that one in, I think, 2 tries. So I was like really happy. I have a Rilakuma. Oh, it's floating. Floating? No, where are you going? Where are you going? Rilakuma. There it is. A little Rilakuma. And this was also in 2 tries. And I won this My Melody in just 1 try. I'm so happy with it. It's so soft and so cute. And in 1 try I was so happy. I could never win something stand in 1 time, but I did, and I was so happy. So tomorrow we're going to Tokyo Station because we go lunching at the Pokemon cafe. So expect a video of that. So see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night.